eastern limit. The surf zone forecast for the New York City beaches.
Jesus.
High rip current risk in effect through this evening. For today, rip current risk high. Surf heights around 3 feet. Thunderstorm potential moderate. Thunderstorms are possible. UV index very high. A tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following areas in New York: southern Nassau, northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, northeast Suffolk, and southeast Suffolk, and the following areas in Connecticut: southern New Haven, southern Middlesex, southern New London, and northern New London. You're listening to News All Hazards Radio, station KWO35 in New York City. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service forecast.